First, take off the clean water tank and the dirty water tank. Then, open the lid of the dirty water tank. Turn empty the dirty water. Finally, add clean water and rinse out the tank. Then, empty the dirty water tank. Open the clean water tank lid and empty the clean water. If you've used detergents, you'll need to rinse the clean water tank with clean water. Finally, empty the tank. Wipe both empty tanks dry. Wipe the machine's water tank connection dry. Then, put the clean water tank and dirty water tank back on. Take off the magnetic brush head. Then, you can just rinse it with water. Take off the scrubbing pad. Use a brush to scrub off the fibers and dirt from the scrubbing pad. Finally, rinse it with clean water and let it air dry. You can wipe the rubber strip clean with a damp cloth. If it's worn out, you'll need to replace it. When the red light comes on, the battery is low. We recommend charging when the yellow light is down to 1 bar.